Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Sembut Menteri Ramba Kajala ubasnya bhalang dhar hane kesngi ula pelat padba ya ke swachta hi seva campaign ahraja arpsau hapulu habakran hane kesngi ubasnya bhalang dhar ulaong hapo kajing alam jong Menteri Ramba Kajala ukan rat sangma shibun kilat kilinti habede baka khut ke suba kilashim ka khut ke suba ka dikawei ne ki benta ki badan kam ha kajing jongi bat ki program ke sarkar kamlong kam klem kajing trelang bat kinong yalam shnong ula banrap da ka baong bahagi ni kisnam baladap ka sarkar kaya trelang ringkat bat kinong yalam shnong hagi benta bapher laka de ka khut ke suba ka shong suk shong san bat kiwe de sembut Menteri Rangba ulaong baka sarkar India kala ai ka jingkershan bapura ya ka sarkar jila banyak khun ne kijing ki bagai gendu khamtam haka khut ke suba ka sarkar pedeng kala kershan borba ya ka jila ka khut ke suba ka long ka badan kam laka de ya kala ka bangi ring mensiam ne kiwe ulaya thuru bana kalyang jong ula shim ki sinjam ba unlum ki deputy commissioner jong ke district ba pher banyakran halor ka khut ka suba bat khamtam banyakran halor ban penbyang ya ki jaka thenyut kumjuru ki dc kinlum ki BDO banyakran badru ki BDO kinlum ki rangba shnong banyakran kumno bante lakam ya ka khut ka suba hagi shnong ki thau shushu ula benrap da ka baong bangidon kam ban yo iya ka jela kum ka we ni ki jela ki ba khut basuba hakari ngidon ki shnong ki ba khut tam ha Asia bat ki we ngila aru ban penlong ya ka shilong kanong ba ka ba khut tam hakari.
Today, our state joins the entire nation in launching the Swasthya Hi Seva 2024 program, which begins today the 17th of September and culminates on the 2nd of October 2024 with the theme Swabha Swastha Samskar Swastha. That implies cleanliness as our nature, cleanliness as our culture. We all know that we live in a beautiful state and we thank God that we have such beautiful environment which is free from pollution, it's green and it's good that the place to live in. A lot of people come here and it's become one of the top 10 tourist destination. That is our state. And we are here today to witness and to take pledge on the role of us, each and every one of us present here today as citizens, to take pledge to ensure that we make it our duty, make it our responsibility to ensure that we maintain this heavenly gift that has been given to us by the Almighty, to ensure that as responsible citizens of the country, we all know there are 2 chapters in the Constitution, that is the fundamental rights, which all of us are aware and all of us always keep talking about it. We only know our rights, but very few of us talk about the fundamental duties, which is in chapter 4 of the Constitution. So this is the day that we kind of retrospect and look into ourselves and see what we have to do for our country.
I have discussed with DC while I was sitting before the start of program. We know that today, under the same banner that the Swachh Bharat Mission is also embarked a journey to ensure that our human leaders are not only free from waste but also striving to systems of health, cleanliness and prosperity. Yesterday the launching of this Swasthya Hi Seva 2024 years already. It is the most important programs and dream programs of our honored Prime Ministers and also our honored Chief Minister. Cleanliness is one of the main things in our life. And I should say that no government program is succeed without the participants of our own stakeholders. The credit goes to you always. I remember during the last 2 years in some villages, in some cities and towns, while we are roaming throughout the state and throughout the countries, it spoils the beauty, it spoils the environment, it spoils the feeling if there is no cleanliness. I'm thankful to the government of India, which has been provided by the government of Meghalaya, so many support, even through PHE, through urban, through different programs, in order to make all the households, especially in rural areas, we should have toilet all. And now the days and the time has come. It seems that it's not enough only to have toilet. It's a time for us to have also to maintain the cleanliness, which is very, very important in our life. The air you breathe, the water you drink, the feelings you feel, the sense you smell, if there is no good air, I'm telling you, there is no enjoying in taking ordinary air from everyone. Even day before yesterday, I am having a meeting on my level within the urban department. I am planning to initiate new programs, and which should be held maybe next week or by the last week of this month. In coordinating with the DC, the Commissioner, with all the 12 or 13 districts in the whole state. I already plans, I will be calling a meeting with all the DCs for the whole state to make sure after that meeting, the respective DC will call all the video concerns of the respective block. And the respective video will call all the respective headmen of every village to make sure that at least one step will request all the villages in the whole state, at least if not up to the mark, to have their own nampkin in every village to make sure that we are in the face of discipline manner. For example, you have seen what challenges we are facing, especially from Orman, in terms of dumping of waste. But anyway, so many interventions we have been planning, trying to Orman, so many programs like My City campaign, like providing, or some of them have been provided, and some yet to provide all the changes along all the river like class, so that there will be no illegal dumping on the rivers, on the drains. But my request is, especially goes to all the headmen, especially of the headmen of the locality within the Shillong cities. If you are not there, we are nowhere as a government. I am planning to have a meeting with the Public Works Department Beauty Road. I think you have seen that there are so many bushes along the road, even in the city, in the society, just in there. So I mean, with joint effort, with joint activity with all departments like urban, PUD, PHE, district administration, we should not leave all the schools out of the cities especially. Unless we want to welcome our people who are entering our business state with cleanliness along the road, it should be proper footpath, it should be proper railing, it should be proper signboard, it should be proper around where this road going up. All these new road conditions, new design, which is computer something like that. We are planning to do our especially all this locality in the corner of the main city, in the main market, in the corner. It's the request from the government. Let us be a part. Let us think that we are cleaning our own surroundings. what is the lapses, what is the drawbacks in our locality with due respect. I'm not talking about Shillong City, in the whole state. Sometimes we are tend to forget to clean our own surrounding also. I would just like to inform you, especially myself, I spend 3 hours in a week to clean my own surrounding. Whether someday or someday, one of these days. I think that the cleanliness is very, very important. And also it's a respect for the state government. It's a duty for the state government. Sometimes we from the state government, we circulate, we impose so many rules, so many guidelines. I'm so sorry, unless you are with us together, we government, we will reach nowhere. I'm thankful to all the headmen of the locality in the Shillong City. You are so blessful to us as a government. I remember during last COVID 2021, you are the main man who helped the government to control the constitution that time. We are so thankful. And in fact, from the urban department, from the tourism department, maybe from the district also, we are planning now at our own capacity. We are trying to fund some locality in future to maintain our cleanliness. Like how we done last few years, painting and brushing some line on the wall and cleaning all those bushes along the road. And there is one, it look good. There is one locality, I don't know what name is that, near Jaya Hospital. There is one program I attend near CM. That locality made me memorable till today. So neat and clean. Of course it's small, but it's impressed on me. It impressed me. So on that spot is I used to discuss. Please look, follow all this. It should be the same system like this. To request all of you, please. This program is not a formality, frankly speaking. We should make it dreams into reality. That's what the government always. Natanya begawa burung juni headman dan yang mak tentu. Kibaran ham man lagi keliwa, man lagi daun, man lagi daun, man lagi mati bahasa ada usi daun. Ni pula kerja yang di support to the government ini, especially for the last 7 years. Natin mau orang kamu program bakal chief minister bakal DC hidup kaya. Kalau program ini kumpulan Malaysia hinjui mana ini. Menanya lagi program kalau kenang teka besar dengan akan kenang mana apa mana. Mabalay nga the urban minister of the report. It deals with my department. Ngayon kala yang kabuban kerpani personally nakasakit na semua. Ako ay kasing nakuha pa kasi dito may kastit ni kanlong kastit na kultar ng pagkikong berapa. Nga sa mga kailan disiti kita po rin niya almost 95%. Kami ngayon ay maintain ka kul. Mari ko makapoy, mari nga drop na ito, madulori siya kita ito. Ito pali kasi tito mo, pagkuhan ka ito yan, yung dapat masaya ka naman. Mas nung kachikot, kada ikaway, kada wifi, ang kumpunin. Kawai hatang mo sino nga lang mga plikat ito ang ibang pagsoto, na kumamot siya ako mananong mga first time, hawajan pa. Najukot mo hindi ka program, ka-awareness program. Doon di ko aja pilipin ba niya, pala di ko atang nagakul, pala may ibang nagakul ko nila. Kanay suki-suki pa, dahil di kailan, magpakilak day, kasyong bakul ha. Doon gawin kasyong pakunusin ko nga, Third Muslim Village, Kenmao. Please visit it, the Third Muslim Village. Kata ko sa bukay, kata yung susunod. 5 tahun mau. Kiri itu something I am still sure. Kiri itu something yang kuri ni berkusur sure. Tentang island Lalu langsung sasoro. Ka-impress ang may man. Ka-impress yang ako ng magmadati. Kakatakas ng mga kapatapan skim ng pupulo. Set a good example for the answer and unang. Ngaku yung posor ng pipada ko purom. Kalau pilih para wanita yang hijau, sila yang siya terpunyai. Dan buat orang berimpin lagi, orang berimpin kita pada di Sri Lanka lima. Tapi mentang asal-asal orang kamu 674, mentang apa yo do, berkrit surpa, berkrit dua, mentang propose yang masa kasar propose versi. Ngaku apa kayu pemilukan dia kayu pas standar. Nag-orban ka both lagi mall ni propose, both lagi party ni propose. Hagi niyo propose mall, hagi niyo propose yo. Ni ko lagi jaga de jur lagi jo, kawet market lagi jo, ketika de jalan lagi jo, kata orang ni ko akan spread. We should be disciplined citizen of the state. Tekani mula menaikkan bagi dampak itu. Kenapa mula? We need your responsibility. Tidak akan slow. Bagi state kedai kejomi, kalau quality kedai kejomi, kasihlah kedai kejomi, dan only will be able to proceed forward. Makam tanpa itu di school, bosan itu kena school dulu. Apa school ki nama bandera, kita banyak orang yang di school, and kejomi di school pokok na. Ada yang banyak pelawiman, dah boleh sudah pula. Namanya pakso pada kejomi. Ano itu? Kenal takut kepada kedai kambing, kedai gawai, apa itu tu. Kalau ni lah kalau kerja dulu aku berdua lah kalau beli kuat ada kuat dan abang berdua. Ane kenal berdua abang berdua jadi berdua lagi dua. Kedua aku kira. Kalau kimia kalau ada baku pada mesin import saya. Ini ada Jepang semua. Jadi pokok apa macam sudah tahu keterangan kedai turun kedai ni. Waterfront development. Number one, bersenang parks along the river, Pampa River. Number two, hak juga pun untuk this program. Hak juga pun ni provide dan prepare estimate balik achieve fencing work ini jata. Kenang bagi baik in beri ke bawah. Dan ini pun sudah suruh kawan asma kamu tahu ini. Kamu tahu. Baik kasi nung kudong nakikita sa kabampak ng pahina. Tingnan ko lang nakikita pahina at sumayo at sa kundo. Halim merentapin na. Ukur kakul jong at may batang asan do. Hilid hap alay kahit naso. Kintra iso ka na. Dene. Kintra. Ngayon na pasya ng mga kaway. Merang asan distel. Ngayon gas kumati. Puasan itu liga sebab, nak kita kena asyik terleh so, kam terleh so, nak hari itu kau. Mindset. Jauh kita makan kita this is not a good thing. Dan kita berada di intelligent learners. Kita ada learners juga. Apapun yang harus kau kena asyik terleh, ucap semua. And we should be please, minha belum hak kita pada speed lagi. Kaji kau ini legowo ini nak tak bakal legowo. Within 5 years, I wonder Meghalaya should be one of the top state tourism destination in the whole country. But was also wrong when you told me, Nashi Mumbai to Barabor, just come down to play. Don't go in the scene. Haju, mari bang es krim, for kedai krim. Lalu kita kerja. Coba dia kembali ke soal foto. Cabut dia tu disepakati foto kan. Anak kita nak pelak lagi. Kembali soal foto, kena naik kilometer sekitar masa. Utau be baru fotonya soal. Apa hasil? Langsung antronis. Orang ada yang dalam Meghalaya saya. Meghalaya butuh di apa lu Meghalaya? Sekarang pun makan berasa. Buat macam Meghalaya, jangan pernah ini besar. Lalu apa sih mulai? How to mulai? You see that YouTube dikhayam ko dat krang suri dat harapan di unai baru itu tiba makanya the best destination mentah kamran kami bangkro mera di itu khod dan pria ke state berumur tu ya kesenang tu masuk mana mana bang yang apa ni program mangai dia ngau itu ya tu tekan bunta we trust you we depend on you misalnya ada di rumah itu sebenarnya proses lumang yang mana di sini statement kisah berkamai alis mereka jauh cakap kenyut dalam tujuan kenapa misal kata nanti kau ni perlu di Pak Menlo dan only order Mr. Please engage them baik kita ini yang sering datang hari ini meet the crowd hari ini kena itu now is the time for us to be let us work together pada positif kita tupa kambing road begini kasi dito kita maglong di flang demi hasurba bagi flang demi alam tupa satu kapusin puri kapan jago puri kita tujuh dekat kita ini program ke program kecil jumi kemudian nak kali ni jangan apa kerja so malah apa mari kita imat berumatan berpuluh-puluh kayu imat apa makan. Mereka tinggal semua tu bah kecil ikut dari gedung tamu